What is alternate nostril breathing?
Alternate nostril breathing is a calming yoga practice that involves breathing in and out through one nostril at a time, using your fingers to gently close the other. This technique, known as nadi shodhana in yoga, can help quiet the mind and relax the body, making it popular for stress relief and focus.
How to practice alternate nostril breathing.
Start by finding a comfortable, quiet place to sit. Rest your left hand on your knee. With your right hand, gently place your thumb on your right nostril and your ring finger on your left nostril. Close your eyes. Inhale through your left nostril. Close it. Exhale through your right. Inhale right, close, exhale left. Continue alternating sides.
Tips for a successful practice.
Breathe slowly and naturally. Keep your breath smooth, not forced. Aim for 5 to 10 cycles at first, gradually increasing as you become comfortable. If you feel lightheaded, pause and breathe normally. Practicing regularly, even just a few minutes a day, can help make the benefits part of your daily routine.
Mental health benefits of alternate nostril breathing.
Practicing this breathing technique can help reduce stress, calm anxiety, and improve your mood. Studies suggest it may lower heart rate and promote relaxation. People also report feeling more focused and balanced afterward. It's a simple tool you can use anytime you need a mental reset or moment of peace.
Integrating alternate nostril breathing into daily life.
You can use alternate nostril breathing before meditation, during stressful moments, or as part of your morning routine. It pairs well with other mindfulness practices and can be a quick way to pause and recenter during a busy day. Explore what frequency works best for you and enjoy the sense of calm it brings.